Are you frustrated with low quality streaming on your top-notch LG OLED TV? If you're struggling with how to fix YouTube TV low bitrate on your LG OLED TV, you've come to the right place. In this guide, we'll discuss several effective ways to enhance your streaming quality, providing you with the viewing experience your TV was designed for. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The most common reason for low bitrate streaming is a poor internet connection. Start by assessing the speed of your network. Use a device connected to the same network and run a speed test. For smooth streaming, you should have at least 5 Mbps for a single HD stream and 25 Mbps for 4K content. If your speed is lower than these benchmarks, try restarting your router or contact your internet service provider for further assistance. Sometimes simply relocating your router or using a wired connection can significantly improve the signal strength. Step 2. Adjust YouTube TV settings. Next, take a look at the YouTube TV settings on your LG OLED TV. Begin by launching the app and accessing the settings menu. Here, you can manually adjust the video quality. Although YouTube TV is designed to automatically adjust quality based on your network speed, manually selecting a higher streaming quality can sometimes override incorrect automatic settings. Remember that selecting higher quality streams requires more bandwidth, so make sure your internet connection can handle it. Step 3. Update your TV's software. Outdated firmware can lead to a variety of issues, including low bitrate streaming. Head to your LG OLED TV settings and check for any available software updates. If an update is available, download and install it. This process often includes important performance improvements and bug fixes that can enhance your viewing experience. Step 4. Clear cache on your TV. Over time, caches can become cluttered, leading to a slowdown in your TV's performance. Clearing the cache can often resolve issues like low video quality. To do this, navigate to the YouTube TV app on your LG OLED TV and clear its cache through the app setting. A brief reboot after this process can also help reinforce the new settings. Step 5. Consider network optimization tools. If you continue to experience low bitrate issues, consider exploring network optimization tools. These tools, either built into modern routers or available as third-party applications, can help prioritize bandwidth for streaming service. By making YouTube TV traffic a priority, you can ensure you are leveraging your available bandwidth more effectively for an improved viewing experience. There you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to fix YouTube TV low bitrate on LG OLED TV. By following these steps, you should be able to improve the streaming quality and fully enjoy your incredible TV. Whether you need to tweak internet settings, update your TV firmware, or optimize your network, these solutions are designed to help you watch your favorite shows in the highest quality. Keep these tips in mind and make the changes necessary for a cinema-like experience in your living room. Happy streaming!